Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. What you see in front of you is kind of a little treasure of mine. This is the Almont rekey that Bosnian Bill picked in his treasure chest video made by the lockpicking Lebowski. I acquired this in a trade, and hopefully I can single pin pick Bosnian Bill's Almont rekey. If I find it, I will post the video where Bosnian Bill picks this, or rakes it open for that matter. I'm gonna zoom back out to something normal. And for this one, I'm gonna go with top of the keyway. And let's try it with a high reach first in 25 thousandths. So you can see by this keyway, first off, this lock has been beat to hell. I'm going to be featuring this lock and 3 others on a rekeying video. As you can see from the keyways, Bosnian Bill's is pretty freaking tore up. So this lock's been through the ringer in the community. Alright, without further ado, an introduction, let us try to pick it open. Alright, I'm going to go with a little light tension. A little mushy in there. I'm giving it slightly light tension. Might go with a different hook. Try a standard hook. Not getting any feedback from this guy. Man, you can see where other picks have just dug into the brass right there. And we got it open. Now, I don't know if you guys have seen other Bosnian Bill videos, or any videos for this particular lock for that matter, but these are extremely difficult to rekey. it does have that notch right there. So once you rotate it to the full 90 degrees, you'll hear a click, and then if I wanted to, I could remove this core, but I'm not going to do that just yet. I do have a future video coming out where, like I said, I plan on rekeying all 4 of these. Ooh, I don't have it out. To the Sparrow's Master Key set. And these particular locks have a special set of tools that go with them. Oh, here it is. So we got the Sparrow's Master Key set. And then here are the original keys that come with that lock. But that's the bitting that we just picked. So we got this key, and then we have the disassembly key. Dust hair. Now with those disassembly keys, they have that notch, so you can remove the core and extract it. And then, of course, I have the pins that you would insert in here. Just insert that in there. Hold it around, and then that'll hold all the top pins in place when you disassemble the core. And then for reassembly, you have a few different followers where you would put the top pins in here. I'm still trying to do my research on how to reload these keys. And then when the top pins are in there, you get the follower, you put it in the slot, and that'll push all the top pins into the keyway, to which you would then use this to hold them into place, pull that core out, and then do the bottom pins. So this lock is a pretty intricate beast to repin, in my opinion. I haven't done it, and I'm practicing doing it so I can make this video. But I've got Bosnian bills, and then I have 3 that I have also acquired. And this one I have already disassembled. So guys, please, if you like this video, please do like it. If you haven't subscribed already, please do subscribe, because there will be a lot of pretty awesome future content coming. And yeah, please share, please like and subscribe. And I hope you guys have a good rest of your evening. Thank you for watching.